Shalom and welcome to Learn Hebrew Now. In today's video, we'll be learning essential Hebrew phrases, words, and verbs. So, without further ado, בואו נתחיל. Let's begin. To say, I'm hungry. If you're a male, say, אני רעב. אני רעב. And if you're a female, say, אני רעבה. אני רעבה. To say, I'm thirsty. If you're a male, say, אני צמא. אני צמא. And if you're a female, say, אני צמאה. אני צמאה. To say, menu please, say, תפריט בבקשה. תפריט, a menu, בבקשה, please. To ask, what are your specials? Ask, מה המנות המיוחדות שלכם? מה, what, המנות, the dishes, המיוחדות, the special, שלכם, of yours. To say, I'm allergic to, let's say, peanuts. Say, יש לי אלרגיה לבוטנים. יש לי, I have, אלרגיה, an allergy, to, בוטנים, peanuts. To say, the bill please. Say, את החשבון בבקשה. את, החשבון, the bill, בבקשה, please. To say, cheers, say, לחיים, לחיים. To say, the food was delicious, say, האוכל היה טעים מאוד. האוכל, the food, היה, was, male, טעים, tasty, מאוד, very. To ask, are there vegetarian dishes? Ask, יש מנות צמחוניות? יש, are there, מנות, dishes, צמחוניות, vegetarians? To ask, are there vegan dishes? Ask, יש מנות טבעוניות? יש, are there, מנות, dishes, טבעוניות, vegan? To ask where, say, איפה, איפה. To ask when, say, מתי, מתי. To ask what, say, מה, מה. To ask who, say, מי, מי. To ask why, say, למה, למה. To ask how, say, איך, איך. To ask how much does it cost? Ask כמה זה עולה. כמה, how much, זה, this, עולה, costs. To ask, can we speak in English? Say, אפשר לדבר באנגלית? אפשר, is it possible, לדבר, to speak, באנגלית, in English? To ask, where is the bathroom? Say, איפה השירותים? איפה, where, השירותים, the bathroom. To ask, can you help me? If you're speaking to a male, say, תוכל לעזור לי? תוכל, will you be able, לעזור, to help, לי, to me? And if you're speaking to a female, ask תוכלי לעזור לי? תוכלי לעזור לי? The word for hello is shalom. Shalom. The same word is used to say peace. To say good morning, say boker tov. Boker, morning, tov, good. To say good evening, say erev tov. Erev, evening, tov, good. To say good night, say laila tov. Laila, night, tov, good. To ask, how are you? If you're speaking to a male, ask מה שלומך? מה שלומך? And if you're speaking to a female, ask מה שלומך? מה שלומך? If you want to answer and you want to say, I'm fine, thank you, say אני בסדר, תודה. אני I, בסדר, fine, תודה, thank you. To say, nice to meet you, say, נעים מאוד, נעים מאוד. To say, my name is, say, שמי, and then add your name. So, my name is Yael, so I will say, שמי, Yael. To ask, what is your name? If you're speaking to a male, ask, מה שמך? מה שמך? And if you're speaking to a female, say, מה שמך? מה שמך? To say goodbye, say, להתראות. להתראות. If you want to learn more and to support the channel so I can continue creating content for you, join my Patreon page. You can find the link in the description below. And share with me in the comments below if there are specific topics that you would like to learn about. For now, thank you for watching and להתראות!